Question number 38. The uncertainty in the electron's position is x, which means delta x equal to x. What is the uncertainty in the electron's energy? What is this now? This is nothing but your uncertainty principle, which we know electron's energy is nothing but half mv square, kinetic energy, which should be written as p square divided by 2m. Why didn't I take the potential energy? If you ask me this question, there is no reference for the nucleus over here. Okay, so I have not taken that. So it is p square by 2m. So p square by 2m. Now, if I know delta x, I can get delta p directly, because delta p into delta x is equal to h by 4 pi, uncertainty principle, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So delta p is equal to h by 4 pi into delta x, and delta x is equal to x, given me h by 4 pi into x over here. So I can substitute. Now you can ask me this delta p, but delta p can be approximated to p, because I want the uncertainty in the electron's energy. So I can now write this as p over here. I can substitute it over here. I can now write, so E should be equal to p square, which is h square divided by 4 pi square x square divided by 2m. Hey, not 4 pi square. This is 4 pi x the whole square. I'm sorry, h 4 pi x the whole square, which should be h square divided by 16 pi square x square divided by 2m, which should now be h square divided by 16 into 2, which is 32 pi square x square into m. Thus the answer is D over here, 13 pi square x square into m. Okay.